Good morning, everybody. So, how are you, everybody? It's a fantastic new year. It's a fantastic day outside. Not really sunny, but it's good. Today, we have a very interesting job that's called amplifier, the sound amplifier, which normally we use at home, like the home theater or something. But this is a little bit the special one. And I tried to find some videos on YouTube, but there's no video. That's why I want to be make this video. At least somebody, I mean, who just want to repair or want to do his own. So at least he get an idea what exactly how it open and how we have to be see the parts and how we have to be check and how we have to repair. So the model number of this is okay. This is very huge. Let me just move my camera so at least you guys can see the video. Okay, so here's a camera here. I just moved it down. So here you go. I hope you guys can see that. This is it's very heavy, and let me just grab the model number of this. At least you can see. Okay, so that is ONKYO TX-NR709. Okay, so let me just place it back. There you go. Now we just, I opened all these screws. There are screws here on both sides, left and right, and there's the back. So just open it this nicely. There you go. Okay. It's a beautiful amplifier. Like one of the best, I can say that, because it have a multi-channel at the back. If I just show you, tons of options, almost all kind of device you can connect with this, with the video output, with the HDMI ports, with the all kind of speaker you're thinking about, like front, like rear, like sound system, like subwoofers, all of them. Plus, it have option for your PC or TV if you want to be added. And you can also the edit, this is the selected, like, the radio tuner as well. And then there is an option for your gaming section as well, cable network as well, VCR as well. It's a beautiful amplifier. So what happened with this device? This device stopped selecting and not producing the sound. So when I diagnosed it, there is some issue with the selector chip. So what is the selector chip? So selector chip is where you can select the channel and the input goes to selected and produce the sound. So in this motherboard, in this amplifier, there is the main chip. Let me just move the camera up. So this is here is the main selector chip. Yeah, that's one. So as we selected, like, we had to switch from VCR to TV or TV to PC or any other device, or we want to be select some other because we want to listen the voice through this with the high amplifier, or we're watching movie or something. So it's turning on, it's working everything, but it's not producing the sound. So what we have to do, we have to resolder this chip. It's a time-consuming job. I have to do and start it, and then I will pause, and then when it's job done, and then I'm going to show you again how it works after that. So let's start the job. We had to take out the chip, clean it, and resolder it again. So it take around 1.5 hours to 2 hours. But yes, I'm going to show you how I'm going to be started and how I'm going to make the. Before that, I just turn it on. At least you guys knows. Oh, why don't I just start the job, because it's a lengthy job already. Okay. So we have to use the heat gun, which is the heat gun. And then nicely have to solder it again. Just make sure your hand shouldn't be moved so much, because I'll just show you, because if your hand moved, it will destroy some other parts which is along to the surround area of this chip. So this is like a sensitive job, but yes, job have to be done, right? So it take around like 30-40 minutes. So let me do this job, and then when it's completed, I'll come back. Just I will continue again. I'm going to pause the recording at the moment. Okay, so it's almost done. Let me make it dry a little bit. And we have to clean up. That kind of job is a little bit lengthy job. Yeah. So we have to clean up with some thinner or alcohol. It'll be, use a small brush, will be good. So after this, when you paste it back, this chip, usually you have to clean with the thinner. It should be good. So the paste, all of them around it should be okay. Normally I use this paste, so this is good for soldering. So it looks so fresh. Yeah, and then I have to make it a little bit more dry. Be careful when you paste it back, because the base should be clean. And it should be, there's a boundary line for this chip, so you have to careful with should be all the points accurate, and then it's in between the both lines. Yeah, that looks okay. This looks good. Yeah. Okay. Oh my God, it's so heavy. Oh God. Okay. Now we have to try with any device. Should be okay. Uh, oh, we need some USB to plug in and try. Okay, let's try with the USB. I hope there's a song inside. Okay. Let's see. Touch wood and cross fingers. Should be good, everything. There you go. Or I just try to plug in with the PC. It would be more easier. I'm not sure. I don't have songs in my USB. So I just plug in with the backside of the PC, and then okay. Now we select it here, the PC, and see. There you go. So yeah, it's working now. That's awesome. So we try to select some switches. Yes, very good. Yeah, it's working now. So I hope you guys can hear the voice. Yeah, it's awesome. Mm. Yeah, that's good. So we will try like half an hour, 1 hour. So I mean, it should be okay. So at least we're gonna see the chip shouldn't be heat up anymore. Because if it's heat up, so it will stop working. But it's very quiet, very smooth, and it's just cold. There's no, and then some other processor heat up also. Yeah, that's very good. Okay, so let me switch the camera back. Okay, so that was the ONKYO, what was the model number? NR709. Yeah. So this is the way how you had to be find it and how you had to be repair your amplifier. I tried always, to do something to front of you guys. So sometimes what happened, you guys are stuck. I mean, you want to do your own, and if you just got a little bit guideline from somewhere, so it will helpful in that time, and you can do and done your job your own. If you're interested to do and if you want to learn this electronic stuff. So I'm just trying to my best, as much I can. If you have any question about amplifiers, or definitely the PC is my job. So this is my favorite job. I love this kind of amplifier job and all stuff. But this like very rare at the moment because mostly people like don't really repair this. Is easily get it, in the marketplace or used one, But the people who love these devices, they love their amplifier and all the sound system, so they do repair it and they take care it. So he's one of the customer as well. So anyways, if you like my video, please do like it and share it as well. Maybe somebody needs this help, when somebody have this amplifier and he have a problem and he don't really diagnose what's the issue going on and how he have to resolve it. uh, have a wonderful day. Definitely take care of yourself as well. We'll see you with the next video. Bye now.